So if you're a little thin on the welding side of things, know that John's going to cover it tomorrow. Apply glue. Stick it back in. It's not good. That's what you say, it's not good.
Glue before welding.
But can you notice how I'm turning it on edge as much as I can without burning the leaf? Because I want to heat them both homogeneously. If I just have it on its back, the bottom one's getting a lot of heat. It's difficult to turn it round. You can turn it round, but it's a little difficult. Okay, so the best thing I can do is sort of turn it on its side a little bit and hope to gain that blend of heat. Okay, I'm going to weld. There you go. So come out.
Bubbles down, we're going in.
1, 2, 3. And that shoulder on the bottom of the leaf now is the stop for the weld. So I know I don't just sort of peel off the weld stops. And that's important for me. Okay, I'm going to keep going, I'm going to re-weld. That's welded in my book, so that's not. So it's all the same colour, you know, it's welded. Wasn't no fanfare, no sort of charge, just nice, steady, work from the closed end bang.
Not very hard blows.
And not very hard blows.
Heavy blows.
No need to hit it hard. We're trying to unite this on an atomic level. What we want to do is encourage the flux and the liquid scale to leave. Okay, I'm going to weld again. There we go. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to work here. I'm spending all my time at the transition here. I'm not mucking about with the other end. Don't worry about it. And the other thing I did is I drew down, I put a lot of emphasis on drawing this down to close to being 1/4 inch thick. What that means to me is I don't have a stress riser here going from 1/4 inch to 3/8. Because what happens with the scroll in that case? It just kinks, it doesn't flow. Now we're going to do a forge weld of this piece onto another piece at some stage. But I'm thinking about that stage right now, because when I do that forge weld I have a choice. Definitely this being the shortest, easiest piece to manage is going to be my donated piece. I'm going to have the 2 square corners in my hand, in my tongue hand. So I'm going to come here. So I can land this on the scroll side, which is reasonably stable, or I can land this on the leaf side, which is reasonably unstable and easy to put a kink in your hard-earned channel. So I'm going to opt for landing it on the scroll side. That then, knowing what we know about forge welding, tells me that the slope of the scarf is going to come from the forge scroll side up towards the leaf. Okay, like that. My other piece is going to capture it on top of, isn't it? Okay, so I've just given myself the orientation of the scarf. My second piece, my square corner, is going to come out on top, bang. Okay, so that needs to slope from the bottom. So my scarf needs to slope from the scroll side. First thing I'm going to do, remove some of the weight. And then from the scroll side, my slope, trying the end to the toe of the scarf is smaller than the bar to which you intend to weld to. Okay, so it's smaller. See, I'm working here to give myself clearance for the hammer because I can't work over here. I would like a block. That's typically what I would use. I don't have a block. 1, 2. I'm going to drop my hand just slightly. Okay. So the other one will fit on top of that. Well, one thing
water in it, it's just about that water up there, it's right inside the pipe. And I took a piece of plastic bag.
I'm going to clear the ash, I'm hoping. Something like that. Put those two together. Get that one in, so you turn it over. Put that one in. Work the edges. That there. Reach out with me to that point.
You wasted that space. Can we have a crappy fire too?
Yes, you can.
Dominus for this.
Is this the right day of the week, or are you pointed in the right
The sun's shining, the birds are singing, everything's going well.